So last June or July, a buddy of mine had purchased a small drone and wanted to see kind of how it worked and what he could use it for. So he brought it out to the range and we were flying it around. It eventually, at some point in the process, lost signal and just kind of flew off and then fell out of the sky. So this Christmas, I got a DJI Mavic Air 2 and decided to go on a search and rescue mission. And what you're seeing right now is directly below the drone. I've got the camera pointed straight down, and this is kind of where we lost control or lost sight of the drone. And the stuff that we're flying over at that point was like chest high. There's no way we tried to wade through it, but there was just no way we could get through to where the drone was. So I sped up the video right here because if you look down in the bottom, right along the bottom edge of the video, you'll see something there that doesn't belong. And I thought that was it, so I walked up the top of the hill to kind of find out if I had found anything. And sure enough, looks like I found the drone. All right, so I'm going to speed this up again. I was walking back down the hill to get down to the bottom so I could fly the drone back. But I thought that was pretty cool to be able to lose something like that. And then the clarity of the camera and the control of the DJI Mavic Air drone was just, it's so amazing that as you can see, the grass is blowing and there's a bit of wind going on. And as you look out, that's a pretty, pretty difficult spot. We were kind of looking for a needle in a haystack there, but with the control and the clarity from the Mavic Air 2, it was just a really good scenario for me to find that drone. So, way to go, Mavic.